Tonight we're making Scottish Mince and Tatties on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a fixing trucker, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making Scottish Mince and Tatties. If you don't know what that is, it's, well, ground beef and potatoes with some vegetables and other stuff. But anyway, it looked good. I like that stuff. I found a recipe for it. Never really had it. I've never heard of Scottish Mince and Tatties. It's, you know, hey, but whatever. I don't care. It sounds good to me. This recipe is courtesy of Downton Abbey Cooks. So I thought, what the hell? Downton Abbey Cooks? Sure, why not? There's a show about that or something. I don't know. Anyway, so if you don't know what we do, guys, go along, find yourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, make it. Simple as that. Been doing it all year. Been a hell of a time so far. Anyway, guys, let's get to this one. I think this one's going to be good. So we're going to start with our beef. Crumble it up. Now we're going to add our butter. Splash. And our onions. And cook for about 10 minutes. So now we sprinkle our flour in. So now we add our stock. And our carrots. Let's simmer for about 20 minutes. So now we're going to add our peas. Welcome back, guys. Our mince and tatties are done. They're looking awesome. I thought that's kind of a neat way to serve them up, so I thought, what the hell, give it a whirl. They look kind of neat. I think it does. Anyway, let's give them a try. See what we think. Very delicious. It's just comfort food, guys, like shepherd's pie, you know. Anyway, now it's good. Gotta love that stuff. Whew. Date and time, guys, it is Tuesday the 21st of April at 6:34 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores, Ontario. Anyway, guys, been a great time. Don't forget that like button, that subscribe button, and also, anything you want to see me cook, throw it in the comments, guys. I'm open to suggestions. Bye for now. We'll see you next time.